Hello CMRS, this is Abyssful here. This is third map slums. They forfeit Unbeatable Bolts forfeit. Second map, second meltdown for lag switching me on the round 3-2. And yeah, so we're just kind of buying him here. Oh, he should be in my recent player. Okay, he joined. He's probably gonna leave. Get his friend in here. Fine, I'll do it. No friends available. Okay, yeah, he just left the game. Let's invite Dirty Stan in here. He's at the dashboard. They have approximately about 2 minutes. See if he left the game. Hey look, Pill sent me a message. A voice message. Okay, that was a message to all friends. Looking for COD 14. An Aqua sent you a message. I recorded both. Report. You lag switch. And Dirty Stan sent me a message. Beat you fair and square. LMFAO, take a loss. Smiley face. But you lag switched. I love it how they like, hey, you're sick. Like, they wouldn't do that to an 0-5 team, considering they would be beating, but like, when we're up 2-2, and they lag switch us, which I it felt like a swag switch, but I didn't go on a 1-bar. Then they lag switch it again when we're down 3-2 on offense. I really don't appreciate that. And by the way, they have Tool 43 before they forfeit. Well, 42 is the 5-minute, but 43 is the mark. Well, yeah, you get it. You saw me send both of them invites. So, you know. So, yeah, just waiting. And we're sitting and waiting and sitting and waiting and sitting and waiting and sitting and waiting and sitting and waiting. Well, anyway, thank you CMRS for all our dispute, and bye.